I just love mac and cheese. Don't you? It's pure comfort food. But I learned you can make mac and cheese using gnocchi, and it's so easy. Gnocchi and cheese. Let's do it. I'm just taking this gnocchi and pouring it into a prepared baking dish. It's time to make a roux, so I'm going to start by melting some butter in a medium saucepan. Add some minced garlic, and a tablespoon of flour goes in there. Mix that in. I need 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream or milk, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and stir until thickened. Then I just add handfuls of cheese. I'm using an Italian blend. And I just stir that in until melted and add a little bit more cheese. Pour that oozing sauce on top of the gnocchi. Add a little pepper on top, some basil, and another sprinkle of cheese. I'm going to bake it at 375 for about 25 minutes. Well, here it is. That looks so good, nice and cheesy. Look at that. Gnocchi mac and cheese. Whoa. It's amazing. Pure comfort food. I'm so thankful. And thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. And you know what? I'll see you next time. Somebody broke in our office and stole all our coffee cups. Now I have to head to the police station and look at some mug shots.